gonna have a nice romantic getaway.
So what are we waiting for?
You'll see.
You brought me on a corporate retreat?
It's okay, baby. Just relax.
How can I relax, Cliff?
Join in on the fun.
All right, everyone. Today we will make our way through a series of experiences that move us from the physical realm to the spiritual. Close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. It might be uncomfortable, but it's worth it.
You possess everything you need to survive.
It's good to see you all again.
Arthur?
You freed me from the company, and I want the same for you all.
What the hell does that mean?
You know what? I've had enough of this shit. Did they lock the door?
Watch out!
You'll choose one person who will leave the human realm.
We're not gonna play whatever sick game you've come up with.
You're wrong. You'll be a team building experience.
Wait, what if he can feel it?
Do it.
What is everybody doing?
We want your transcendence.
These bitches are crazy.
Arthur's got you brainwashed.
I said shoot in the leg, not kill them.
I got nervous.
We'll get out of here, physically or spiritually.
I'm so excited!
We're not done yet. Thy eye, cast it from thee.
I can't.
Don't be a party pooper.
Where exactly did you find this corporate retreat?
They were highly reviewed.